Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make one of my crochet patterns, the Playful Polka Dot Blanket. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, the single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. This blanket is made up of squares that you will be joining together. There are several different ways that you can start your square. I have tutorials on a couple of ways and I will have them listed down below. I am going to be using the chain 4 method, which I will also have listed down below. So to begin, I have already made 4 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to work 11 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook, so the chain farthest away from your hook. Once you have those 11 double crochet made, you're going to slip stitch back into the first one that you made into this row to complete row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the stitch connected with those 3 chains you just made, make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. Now into every stitch around, you're going to make 2 double crochet until you reach the end. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to slip stitch back into the first double crochet made in your row to complete row 2. To start row 3, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch connected with those 3 chains you just made, make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochet. You would now alternate between making 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet until you reach the end of your row. Once you reach the end of your row, you can see that there's a little extra stitch right here. You are going to work 1 double crochet into that stitch. You would then slip stitch back into the first double crochet made in your row to complete row 3. This is where you would fasten off your color so we can bring in a new color for row 4. To start row 4, you could attach your color to any previous double crochet and make 3 chains. Into the same stitch of the chains that you just made, make 1 double crochet. Then make 1 chain. You're now going to make 2 double crochet into that same stitch. This row is going to be turning our circle into a square. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. Into the next 3 stitches, you're going to make 1 single crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a half double crochet. Into the next one, you're going to make a half double crochet. We're now going to make another corner. Work 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, then 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Into the next 2 stitches, you're going to be working 2 half double crochet again. So 1 and 2. Into the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. This is how our square is looking so far. Into the next 2 stitches, you're going to work 1 half double crochet into each. This is where you would repeat these steps until you reach the end of your row. Once you get to the end of your row, you're going to slip stitch into the first double crochet you made at the beginning of your row. And that is going to complete row 4. For row 5, we're going to start at a corner space, so after row 4, you're going to fasten off your color. To start row 5, attach your yarn to any corner space and make 2 chains. Into this same corner space, make 1 half double crochet. Make 2 chains, and then make 2 half double crochet in that same corner space. You would now make 1 half double crochet into each stitch until you get to the next corner space. I'm at my next corner space. You're going to work 2 half double crochet into that corner space. Make 2 chains. And then work 2 half double crochet into that same corner space. Again, you would work 1 half double crochet into each stitch across until you get to the corner space. So you're going to repeat these steps until you reach the end of your row. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to slip stitch into the first half double crochet made to complete row 5. So at this point, you would make as many squares as you want for however big you want your blanket. At the end, I will come back and show you my example blanket. This is how my playful polka dot blanket turned out. I made 10 by 10 rows, so 100 squares total, and I joined them using the Windsor join, which I have a tutorial on and I will have it listed down below. So that is going to be how to make my playful polka dot blanket. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.